Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Salesforce with Zapier. This integration is incredibly useful because it allows you to automate your workflow by connecting Salesforce with thousands of other apps, saving you time and eliminating manual data entry. First, open your web browser and navigate to Zapier.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log in using your credentials. This will take you to your Zapier dashboard where all your automation magic happens. Now, look for the Zap button and click on it. This is where you'll start building your automation from scratch. Zapier works by connecting a trigger from one app to an action in another, creating what they call a zap. Next, click on the trigger button. The trigger is essentially the event that starts your automation. In the search field that appears, type in Salesforce and select it from the results. Salesforce will be the app that kicks off this entire workflow. After selecting Salesforce, you'll need to choose a trigger event. For this example, let's select New Lead. This means every time a new lead is created in Salesforce, your Zap will automatically run. Now it's time to connect your Salesforce account. Click on Sign In under the Salesforce section. You'll be prompted to select your Salesforce environment, whether it's production or sandbox. Choose the appropriate one, then click Continue. This step establishes the connection between Zapier and your Salesforce data. Once connected, you'll need to select the specific object you want to monitor. In this case, select Lead since we're tracking new leads. After making your selection, click Test Trigger. This will pull in sample data from your Salesforce account to ensure everything is working correctly. Review the sample data that appears, then click Continue to move forward. Now we're ready to set up the action, which is what happens after the trigger fires. Click the Action button, then search for and select Google Sheets. This is where your Salesforce data will be sent. Choose an action event such as Copy Worksheet or Create Spreadsheet Row depending on what you want to accomplish. For this tutorial, let's go with Copy Worksheet. Next, you'll need to connect your Google Sheets account. Click Continue and sign in to your Google account if you haven't already connected it to Zapier. Once signed in, click Continue again. Here's where the real magic happens. You'll now map your Salesforce data fields to the corresponding action fields in Google Sheets. This means matching up information like lead name, email, company, and so on, ensuring the data flows exactly where you want it. Take your time with this step to make sure everything aligns properly. Once your field mapping is complete, click Test and Continue or Test and Review. This runs a live test to verify that your Zap works correctly with real data from your Salesforce account. Check the results carefully to confirm everything transferred as expected. Finally, review the Zap summary that appears. This gives you a complete overview of your automation setup. If everything looks good, toggle the switch to On to activate your Zap. Your Salesforce and Google Sheets integration is now live and running automatically. You've successfully created an automated workflow that connects Salesforce with another app through Zapier. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.